class. I'm very excited to share with you my demonstration on how I make event layouts. This is very important for my job because I work with a lot of clients who have different sized events, and it's nice to be able to show them an idea of where their tables are going to be, what their tables may look like, and how to best use their space. In this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through some very important things like building the tables. My design software allows me to pick out different linens, glassware, flower centerpieces, and it actually builds a 3D model. I find this very useful because it helps my clients better visualize what we originally present to them as just an empty space. So in this demonstration, I'm going to go through and build an event and show you some of the practical uses. So when you start to lay out a floor plan, you need to think about what kind of tables your guests are going to need, if you're going to need any food tables, cake tables. So with the software, you are able to pick different styles of tables. For this particular event, we used our 6-foot rounds that seat 10 per table. And then we also put out some square high tops just for people lounging around. You can pick different kinds of tablecloths, including white. I believe we actually ended up using black, but there's a million different colors in here for you to use. So say we want a black tablecloth, we select black. And it gives you different textures, different patterns. We're just going to do a black cotton. It's very standard. And then you can pick various event decor, runners, chairs. We have our chairs there. You can also pick Chiavari chairs. You can put glassware and flatware. You can get very specific. So once you have all of that picked out, you can view your space. You have your options here of doing a 2D floor plan or 3D. I prefer the 3D just because, like I said, I'm a visual learner, so I like to see what we're doing, and I also find it very helpful for my clients. So once we select that, it does take a minute to build the 3D model because it is putting all your different options in. This event has already passed. So it may already show you where I've selected to put all of my tables and chairs. One of the useful practical applications of this is I can make a blueprint, print it out, hand it to my team, and then they know exactly where I want all the tables and chairs. For this particular event, we only had a few food tables. Most of the high tops were out in the lobby because it was a high school prom. They wanted to dance and just have fun. But it all pulled together very nicely. So this may take just a few more seconds. Okay. So it's loading. You can see here, this is our lobby space. Here we had a table for the DJ. Can step over, maybe. So once you've laid out all the tables, you can see that they have the right distance between them all. There are several tools that help you make sure that everything's in line, which if only I could duplicate that in real life, that would make my life much easier. So let's see if we can do the 3D mode and get a better idea. And we can actually do a fly through where it will show you the entire space with everything in it. So you can see the tables and all the event decor that we had up. So that concludes my demonstration on how I make an event plan. I hope that if you are ever in need of an event design software, you use Mary. It's very easy to use. There is a free option. It helps my day-to-day life at work so much. It makes things very simpler. It makes me able to hand things off to my team and know that it's going to be done and what the client wants. So thank you again.